Okay, let's talk about how to get to your sprint and your problem set. Today, I'm going to be a turtle. So I'm going to click right here on my turtles link. It is going to bring me to our SeeSaw activity. Okay, once I get to my SeeSaw activity, I can even play the instructions, I can watch the video. They're all there for you to be as successful as possible. You're going to add response. You're going to click on your name. You can answer all of these problems here. Here's page 2. Or you can add a photo right on top. Oh, it will let me because I have my hover cam. You don't have a hover cam, so you're just going to do like this. Okay, so you're going to submit both the front and the back onto SeeSaw. I am going to exit out of this because it's using my document camera instead. Okay, once you're done and you've submitted or you've added your pictures, you can push this green button right here. That tells me that you're ready to submit your work. Okay, then you're going to come back here. Did you find your work and where you need to upload your picture? Yes. Oh, but I'm a turtle, so I didn't find this one because I'm a turtle, not a rabbit. Okay, that is how you upload your picture or submit your work onto SeeSaw.